What's up everybody, I'm Anxiety Offline, back again today for a quick video, and I actually just recorded one if you can't tell from my shirt, probably in the last video, but I checked the mailbox and I got an unboxing, I got some packages, so I want to do an unboxing video real quick and kind of share with y'all some things that I got. This is weird because I actually mentioned this brand in the previous video, and just by chance I opened up the mailbox and saw this in there. So a huge shout out to Leanne. This was a surprise, I didn't know it was coming. Let's see what's inside. And huge shout out, I was not expecting this. I don't know what is in here. I mean, I have some idea, but it's definitely gonna be a surprise. And this is a huge pack. Oh my goodness, did I get everything? This is huge. Oh my goodness, there's so many stickers in here. She blessed me with some mini Hello My Name Is slaps. So it's gonna be super fun to mess with. Got some mini Thrasher stickers. Those are super dope. Got some effing awesome stickers there. I'm not sure they'll focus. Whole sheet, different designs and all that. Those are really, really cool. Oh, my favorite. Got some Spitfire ones, and that one on top is very cool. It's like pink and green. That is super dope. Definitely gonna use all of those ones. Hookups, my other favorite brand. Got a bunch of hookup slaps. Got actually 2 packs of those. And then some more Spitfire ones as well. This is awesome. Huge, huge shout out and a huge thank you to Leanne. Check out her site, stickygoodness.bigcartel.com. They have awesome slaps. If you're looking for any type of really awesome miniature sticker for your fingerboard, definitely check them out. They're super, super dope. They have so much flavor, so much character, and she just does a really awesome job at printing them and making them. They're very high quality, very nicely printed, very nice bright colors, and these are all die cut as well. So even this one, which is pretty crazy, these little spider legs on there, you guys probably can't see, I'll do a close-up, but they're all die cut. She even upgraded her packaging. These all got a nice little, nice little card in there. So this is a surprise, and just a big shout out and a big thank you. Really appreciate all these slaps. Definitely gonna use a bunch of them and share a bunch of them with a bunch of the homies. So huge, huge thank you. This is a bunch of stickers. I really appreciate that. Super, super dope. Thank you, Leanne. Stickygoodness.bigcartel.com. We got one more package here. It's from BLCNY LTD. I know what's inside here, but I want to share it with y'all because it's pretty cool. So what I did is I custom ordered a deck from BLCNY. I really wanted a 33mm popsicle that was 7 plies. So I had to put in a custom order because he only makes popsicles in 32 and like 34, I believe. So to get a 33 was kind of like special. And 7 ply, it's also something I wasn't even sure if he did, but he does do them. And I love my Black River 7 ply so much. I had to add one more to the collection that was also 7 ply, just to kind of, make sure I liked it, which I'm pretty sure I do like the whole 7 ply thing. They're very poppy, very fun. So the one surprise here, why I'm talking so fast, kind of nervous, not really nervous, but I just don't know what the graphic is. I asked for one graphic, said that if he didn't have it, give me a different one. So really, I have no idea what the graphic is, and I'm really excited to see what it is. So, ooh, dope. Check out the bag topper. Check out the bag topper. Might be familiar for y'all, seen it on the hoodie. Oh, popsicle, okay. Yeah, Penthouse 33 popsicle. All right, so this is the one right here. Let's see what graphic we got. I have no idea. I asked for either the BLCNY flower graphic or the BLCNY mushroom graphic, and I'm not sure which one we got. Let's see. I wonder if there's a graphic on top. Okay, no graphic on top. It's plain on top. So let's see what. Oh, we got the flower graphic. Nice. We got the BLCNY flower graphic there. Looks awesome. This is actually done by the guys over at Fatty's. This is actually a photo they took, and it looks super cool on the deck. Stoked to get this thing set up, and I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and set it up right now. And you can see all those plies in there, and man, that thing is beautiful. Got like a black middle ply and then some natural other ones. I'll do a close-up and show y'all, but let's just open it up. The only thing I don't have right now is some rip tape, which is the only bummer, but this came with some of this 3M tape. Maybe I will use that. Ooh, I gotta say the shape of this thing off the bat looks perfect. It's a 33, my favorite. Got a decent amount of concave in there, and then the kicks are you know, medium. I would say they're a good medium in my personal opinion. And then Balcony does such an amazing job finishing his deck. Like the lacquer on here is like perfect. I've had some brands like only lacquer the front and like, you know, only like maybe half lacquer the back. But this thing, I mean, is perfectly lacquered up on both sides. And what that means on the top ply is it'll just be a lot easier to switch out tape. So when my tape gets worn out, I want to change out the sheet. Because it has this nice smooth layer of lacquer on here, that other sheet should come off nice and easy. This thing looks beautiful. I'm actually gonna get it set up right now. Maybe we'll get it in a little sesh with it or something like that. But there she is, looking good. And let's throw some trucks and wheels on here. Alright, so more info coming soon, but this thing shreds. I love this deck so much. It's all I've been using for the past week. I like it so much, I'm going to do a whole review video about it coming very soon, so stay tuned. Alright, so I want to talk about these sticky goodness stickers because they really are awesome. Big shout out to Leanne for sending these over. I didn't expect this at all, and this was a really awesome surprise. So she sent me over a really awesome sampling of kind of everything they have, and they offer 4 kinds of stickers, which are wears fast, wears slow, permanent, and holographic. And I'm going to do my best to kind of show you each of these here. So they have a really, really nice print quality. They're all super, super crisp for being so tiny especially. They look just like a real skate sticker, just scaled way, way down. My personal favorite ones, I think, are the holographics. I'm a big fan of holographic stuff in general, and these ones here just look super, super cool. She gave me different colors of the Spitfire spider logo, and they're all holographic. They just look so, so dope. These shiny ones here, I'm pretty sure, are the permanent ones, and these ones you will stick on, and they're a little bit thicker, but they don't wear at all. They'll stay looking like that forever. And again, the print quality is just so amazing on these. Nothing is pixelated at all. Everything is super, super sharp. Very, very defined. One of my favorite ones here is the Spitfire mushroom logo. I think this one is just so cool. Love how all the colors going on, just how detailed it is. She also gave me a bunch of these Hello, My Name Is and miniature USPS stickers. These things are way cool. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these. And then they look great on a deck too. Here's one on one of my TP decks. I have the hookup sticker, and for such like a busy sticker, it's so like just the detail is just so on point. I love that. So the ones with no shine on them are going to be the wears fast and wears slow ones that you kind of see here. The more glossy looking, thicker ones, those ones are the permanent ones. And then, of course, the shiny ones are the holographics. One last time, I just want to say thank you. Big shout out to Sticky Goodness. This was an awesome surprise. All my favorite brands are in here, so that was like really, really cool. I love hookups and I love Spitfire and Thrashers. So all the brands in here are just super dope, but just particularly my favorites were in here, so that was really cool. Having a lot of fun with these stickers, and just a huge thank you. Check them out over at stickygoodness.bigcartel.com. And before I go, I want to remind y'all I put some new obstacles up on the website. The new obstacles have brick on top, and they also have metal coping. This stuff is so satisfying to grind. It doesn't wear down at all, but it stays super, super smooth. And these bricks are all super smooth, and they're wearing in really nicely. They feel great. They have that nice click-clack sound, but there's one left on the site. I'm also adding another barrier bench in the next couple days or two, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.